Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how you can add a watermark to your Canva video. It's pretty simple to do, and I'll go ahead and show you it right now. So I already added a video to my Canva project, so we can see my video in the timeline down here. Now, if we want to overlay a watermark, what we can do is go to the sidebar here, and let's go ahead and add a heading like so. And I'm just going to add my brand right here, Evan Does Tech, and we'll go ahead and change this color from black to white. And we might increase the text even larger, and just so it covers up most of the screen like so. Now what we can do is go to the transparency effect right here, and we can adjust the transparency effect so that way maybe let's set it to about 38%. Now if we play the video, we can see that the watermark is still overlaying the video as it's moving. We can also add images and elements as well if we want to add watermarks like so. So let's say we want to add a star shape maybe. We can go ahead and do that. And you can also use like your own logo as well if you want to add your own logo to like the top left, or like maybe we want to add it to the bottom right. We can go ahead and do that. And I'm going to change this to be white, and I'm also going to adjust the transparency again. Now if I click off this and we go ahead and play the video, we can see now that that watermark stays over this video, and we can actually make sure that this text and that this watermark is across the entire video by clicking on it, right-clicking it, and click on where it says show timing. So now we can see that this watermark is stretching across the entire video, and we can do the same by clicking on the watermark at the bottom right and see that it is shown throughout the entirety of the video. Maybe we want to say that we only want to show it in the second half of the video, so I can go ahead and adjust that like so. And now if we play the video, we can see that for the first half, it's only going to show the text, but then it will show the bottom watermark through the second half of the video. And we can even animate these watermarks as well. So let's say we want to add in a fade in animation to our text right here. Go ahead and click on the animations button. And then we can just select one of these pre-made animations like so. So let's say we'll just do the fade in rise. Go ahead and click on that. And then now when the video plays, go to the start of the video, we can see that it automatically fades in and rises up to the center of the video. So that is how you can add a watermark to your video in your Canva project. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.